How are you helping your clients figure out what's right for them?
What is it that you want the next 5 years to look like? If you like the neighborhood you're living in, if you love your current home, but you want to grow that space, or man, what would it look like if we had a addition to the house or we added some square footage? I think those are the questions to ask right now as opposed to waiting, because costs to renovate are going up. I think they're kind of, what did you say?
They doubled in the last 3.5 years.
It's crazy.
Yeah.
So if you think about, hey, this is something we really want to do now. The nice thing is you're going to get the benefit of that on the back end. So should you only be in that property for 5 years, you're going to see a big increase in appreciation, and that market value is going to be higher.
Yeah.
Not to mention the enjoyment of now getting to experience that home the way you wanted it.
And we find our clients being able to do a project like this allows them to be in the home a lot longer than they
Changes everything. I mean, you think about, you walk into your home and you're like, man, I love this space. I love the space for my kids. I love what we're doing. We like to host, things like that. It just changes the dynamics of your home.